Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a candy cane because I want to wish you cuties a sweet holiday. So let's get started. To draw this sweet candy cane, let's first start by drawing a big curve, kind of like a hook is what we're trying to aim to draw here. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to curve around. So let's go about right here, and it's all up to you what angle you want to draw your candy cane at, and that will determine this curve. But I'm just going to go ahead. So hopefully I'm going to be able to help you today because I'm trying to make this super easy. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a big curve. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever you need to do to make you help you draw this curve. So I'm kind of want my candy cane at this angle. So I'm just drawing this curve from here, and then I'm going to bring this part down. So this angle right here is going to determine the angle of my candy cane. So this is the straight part right here. So now that we have this hook shape in, we're going to come back and thicken everything up. So I'm going to come down right about here, and this part also, once again, is all up to you how long you want to make your candy cane. But I'm going to come in here and how thick. So I'll say about this much, and then I'm going to start to bring it in. I'll try to round it off. It's always so much harder when I'm drawing big. Okay, so, and then I'm going to bring it in. And so my goal as I go around is to make everything the same width. So I'm going to try my best. I'm just going to follow this, but go at the same width. So about right here, I'm going to turn in and come down. There. So I think that's like the hardest part. So I'm just going to thicken this part up. Now I'm looking at it. This part needs to be a little bit thicker. Okay, so then now I can go down, and we're done with the hardest part, the hook part, and then we can bring this in, and now we can just go all the way down. So this part is going to be all parallel, and it's all up to you how far you want to bring it, how long you want your candy cane to be. But I'll say about right there, I'm going to stop because I want to draw a bow to decorate my candy cane. So I'm going to come down a little bit, so say maybe right here, right in the center area, and I'll just draw myself the center of my bow. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish off your candy cane as long as you want it. Now that I have this, I'm going to come back right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit that point and just draw a cute little simple bow. So I'm just going to put in 2 loops. And same thing on this side. So it's going to be at this angle, perpendicular to your candy cane. There. So then I'm just going to come in here with some details for candy cane. And then we can continue. Just imagine this coming through. And we just want to continue the same angle. So about right here. So that's your goal. So if you need a ruler, well, you probably don't if you're not drawing too big. But if you're drawing really big, and you could use a ruler if it helps you to create this straight line. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to stop. I'm drawing a cute candy cane, so it's going to be a small one. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and round it off. There. So hopefully that helps you. There's many ways to draw a candy cane. If you feel more comfortable drawing the straight line, straight edge part first and then putting the hook, you can do that as well. So just play around with this, see which way helps you, which way is easier, I mean. Okay, so now that I have that in, the most important part is to put the stripes and to make it look like a candy cane, and also bring in some volume. So I'm going to, let's say about right here, I'm going to start with some curves. I'm just going to curve, and I'm going to imagine a stripe, so about right here. And I'm just following this curve that I created. So I'm going to go, and then about right here, I'll put in another one so that it doesn't become a mess. So about right there. And here. So you want your curves, so definitely turn your body if you need to. You just want your curves at the same direction. Then as we come up here, we're going to start to move a little bit because this needs to curve around. So let's say about right, let's say about right here. So I don't make it too complicated. I'm going to go once again, I'm going to curve just like here, but I'm going to curve up more as if I'm sweeping this curve around. Now that my candy cane is going around, and then I'm going to come about right here and sweep another curve, but it's going to go even more. Hopefully that makes it look correct. Hopefully I don't have it wrong. And then another one about right here. And now sweeping down to about right here. I'm just going to finish it off with another curve. There, so hopefully that looks correct. As long as we have the stripes in, that's okay, right? It makes it look like a candy cane. And that is pretty much it. So hopefully I helped you draw this really easy, hopefully. And just to spruce it up, I thought it'd be really cute to write a little saying, sweet holiday wishes, because this is a candy cane. So if you want to do that, I'm going to come about right here next to my candy cane, and I'll say sweet. I'm just going to give myself enough space, so about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and write sweet. So S, W, and then E. I'm going to make it a little bit fancy. Sweet, and then T. Right there, sweet. Make sure I'm still straight, look at my camera. And then holiday. So holiday needs to be a little bit smaller since, or should I just write it here? Maybe I should write it here just to be safe, right? Okay, you know what? We're gonna go for it here. We're gonna go right here, holiday. So I'll write a H in cursive. H. I don't have much space, so O, L, I, D, A, and Y. That is cutting it really close. Okay, sweet holiday wishes. And right here, I write the word wishes right here. I'll give myself a little bit more space. W, I, S, H, and then E, and S. There. So like I said before, if you're running out of space, you just write thinner. And then so that now that I have that in, I'm going to come in here and spruce it up. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So hopefully you saw what I did with the words right here, and to spruce them up, just thicken some areas to make it look more fancy. And I really hope I helped you draw this sweet candy cane fun and easy to celebrate the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.